Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of Millennium Mall. Now Millennium Mall is the largest mall in Maypen and also the largest mall in central Jamaica. It is located in Clarendon, right out by Mineral Heights. But as we give you this tour, you're going to notice the majority of the mall is empty. Now, this is a world-class facility. Well done, well built, I should say, modern design, but it was just built in the wrong location. Very surprisingly. If this mall was built in Montego Bay, it would have done so much better. So, guys, what do you think about Millennium Mall? This, as we walk through, you're going to see more of the mall. Now, JMB, Jamaica Money Market Brokers, they just opened a massive location on the left of where we are, in the mall, inside the mall. On the outside, you have Burger King that's just opened a location, and Popeyes is also out there. And a supermarket recently opened at the front. So this mall has two of the three things you need to be successful in Jamaica. You need a brand name supermarket, a large supermarket, you need food stores, but you also need to build it in a populated area. This mall, well, for the size of this mall, this this location is not ideal. If this mall was built in Kingston, St. Andrew, or Montego Bay, it would have done a lot better. So guys, let us know what you think. And also, when the mall opened, there was no supermarket. There was no Burger King. It was just Popeyes on the outside of the mall. So that added to the issues the mall is facing. And if you notice, some of these stores have names on them. So tenants had moved in and just had to move out. All right, guys. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day. Enjoy the rest of the tour.